Good morning, everyone. So I feel like I don't really ever have anything to talk about or do. I decide to just open and close my videos with food. I decided to try out Einstein Bro bagels. I ended up getting a garden avocado bagel sandwich. It looks so good. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you like food. And subscribe. Ever since I've been here in Florida, I've been so relaxed and pretty much stress-free. I haven't been depressed or anything. I feel so good. I just ate my breakfast. I'm just sitting here chatting with people on social media. I don't know what's gonna happen when I leave, but it's been a really good time since I've been here. I almost feel like I'm in a dream. It's crazy. You guys remember how I said Florida had the most rundown looking Planet Fitnesses? I'm literally sitting in a garage, a parking garage. This Planet Fitness, its parking is in this parking garage, and then it's over there in the back of this shut down mall. All right, so that Planet Fitness had the nastiest showers I have ever seen, and I know I had said that previously, but that one was really disgusting. I was debating if I wanted to go for a run or if I wanted to do Uber Eats all day, and honestly I think I'm just gonna do Uber Eats all day and make a bunch of money and then just go from there, because I ran yesterday and the day before. So with that being said, let's do some Uber Eats. I decided to get a couple of these drinks to help with my health. This one is Soul Tea Chlorophyll Aloe Super Aid. It has chlorophyll, aloe vera, and lemon. Looks pretty good. And this one is Soul Tea Coconut Charcoal Super Aid. And it has activated coconut charcoal, lemon, and maple syrup. They have donuts all day. That is amazing. So for dinner tonight, I'm having this salad with 2 jalapeno ranches and a couple of 11-ounce things of blueberries. So I just bought this turmeric from Publix. I usually buy plant brand from Vitamin Shop that's turmeric with black pepper, but I decided to go with this. I wasn't trying to spend a lot of money on a supplement. I take turmeric for my digestion. It helps with my anxiety, and it also has helped with joint pain.